This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. The Ministry of Finance has released the 9th weekly installment of 6,000 crore rupees to the states to meet the GST compensation shortfall. Out of this, an amount of over 5,516 crore rupees has been released to 23 states and an amount of over 483 crore rupees has been released to the 3 union territories with Legislative Assembly, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir and Puducherry, who are members of the GST Council. The remaining 5 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Sikkim, do not have a gap in the revenue on account of GST implementation. The centre had set up a special borrowing window in October this year to meet the estimated shortfall of 1.1 lakh crore rupees in revenue arising on account of implementation of GST. The borrowings are being done through this window by the government on behalf of the states and union territories. The borrowings have been done in 9 rounds. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stressed that rapid urbanisation must be seen as an opportunity rather than as a challenge. He said this opportunity can provide the platform to build better infrastructure in the country and improving the ease of living. Modi yesterday flagged off India's first ever driverless train operations on Delhi Metro's Magenta line, which will connect Janakpuri West to Botanical Garden metro stations. He also inaugurated the fully operational National Common Mobility Card service on the Airport Express line. Assam Government has said that 98.35% fencing work along Assam-Bangladesh border has been completed. In a written reply in the State Assembly session yesterday, Transport Minister Chandra Mohan Patwari said that 1.65% fencing work is pending due to objection raised by border guards Bangladesh. He also informed that as per the provision of the Assam Accord, 1,34,810 illegal citizens have been detected in Assam and nearly 30,000 of them have been expelled from the country so far. In Nagaland, 14 new COVID-19 infections were detected yesterday, taking the tally of confirmed cases to 11,911. The State Health and Family Welfare Minister S.P. Phom in a tweet said 5 cases were detected from Mokokchung, 3 in Perin and 2 each in Dimapur, Kipire and Kohima. He also informed that 20 positive patients have recovered. So far, 11,458 have recovered, while 243 are active patients. State's recovery rate also improved to 96.2%. Demise of an infected patient in Mokokchung has increased the death toll to 79, out of which 10 had comorbid conditions and 131 patients have migrated to other states. Meanwhile, Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department has asked all persons coming to the state, either Indian or foreign nationals, after the 20th of December to report to the respective district task force on COVID-19 for compulsory testing in view of the emergence of a new variant strain of COVID-19 from the United Kingdom. In Manipur, 30 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases during the past 24 hours. The state has been witnessing improvement on containment of the pandemic, as less than 50 cases in a day have been reported during the last few days. 74 persons were discharged in the past 24 hours in the state, and the recovery rate improved to 94.36%. So far, Manipur has recorded a total recovered and discharged cases of 26,478, while the number of active cases is 1,234. The total number of positive cases is 28,060, and so far 348 people have died due to the pandemic in the state. Meghalaya reported one of the lowest COVID cases, as only 3 new COVID cases were reported in the state yesterday. The Director of Health Services, MI, Dr. Amanwar, said that a total of 30 people also recovered on the same day. The number of active cases in the state now stands at 199, with East Khasi Hills having 140 active cases. The death toll in the state stands at 138, while a total of 13,042 people have recovered from the virus so far. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.